See, I was not aware of the Poondotam first. Okay, so I came to know about this through various media, and say especially through the website. So I can say, so when I was searching for some Ayurvedic treatment nearby Palakkad. Okay, that is when actually first time so I came to know about this Poondotam. And then so I was just going through your website, and so after seeing the facilities I thought it sounds interesting. And then I came here and I consulted senior doctor here, and the first impression itself was the one which made me to come here again. Okay, the thing is that the time the doctor spent with us, it's almost I should say more than 45 minutes or 1 hour. So that is the time so which he has spent with us. So myself and wife came here, and the complaint which I was having was actually recurring for years. So basically the complaint was the lower back pain. That was the main complaint, along with of course my body stiffness and other pains in various joints, etc. And the doctor patiently heard us, so each and every minute details of the complaints what we have mentioned, and that itself was quite impressive for us. So the first time visit, and the doctor gave us a lot of time, and he spent time with us in understanding what is the problems, and then he suggested, of course, so of course this might take some time for the treatment. And then we decided, okay, then we will come as an inpatient maybe after a week. So then we came here, and then we found during the first visit itself, so I have seen a very cordial reception which we have got right from the security at the gate. Because we were actually roaming around for couple of minutes, and so without we were unable to locate exactly where exactly is this, though it is actually on the main road because it was not visible while we were driving. So right from the gate, so we have seen the cordial reception which we have received, and we felt, okay, this is something different. Okay, because the first impression makes a lasting impression always, right? And then we came to the front office, and that was our next interaction we had. And I should say, so each and every staff, it was very amazing. Okay, that is, this I'm talking about my first OP consultation. Then we decided, okay, this is the place, so where it should be. And after seeing the facility itself, I have decided, yes, this is the time which I can spend for a couple of weeks. And then we decided, of course, the next week we came here for the treatment, and we became inpatient. Okay, I became the inpatient and started the treatment on that same day. I have to be very honest, since I haven't known anybody who has undergone the treatment here. Okay, and I haven't consulted any other patients, and I didn't check any of their feedback. It was something which I took on my own. Okay, first is that the doctor that gave us confidence. Then second thing is that the facility was very impressive. So I should say it's not a resort, but it's not a hospital. Okay, it is giving the nice atmosphere for everyone. Then we decided, and the treatment started on the day when we got admitted. And I have to say our so experience was improving day by day. I have to say the therapist, amazing. Okay, so amazing therapist. Of course, I have gone for a similar therapeutic message few years back. I can compare only with that, but I could see that so he was always giving us comfort, and the experience was amazing. And so I could see that the therapist was amazing, and that actually gave us a little bit more confidence, okay, to continue our treatment. Then then over the days so we have met many doctors like Anjali and your name Shikha, right? That's okay. So it has to be a kind of see, I have seen that the junior doctors, who have visited here and every day checking morning and evening, it's amazing. So they were taking care, and then it started with the food. Okay, that is another experience I have to say, and that was great. Okay, and the menu, of course, I started very hesitantly with the millet menu, which is usually prescribed for the diabetic patients and for this. So I was a bit hesitant, should I need this? But of course, so being part of the treatment, I should follow that. Right? Then I decided, okay, fine, let me follow that, and that was amazing. So overall, I have to say that the overall experience of the consultation, starting from the right consultation, the treatment, and our staying here in the premises has been excellent. The tranquility at which, so we have been here in this premises for the last 14 days, I should say that is something, which is needed for a successful treatment. Okay, we always say that the effect of the medicine is actually not from just the medicine, but also from the mind, at which the patient is actually being at, right? So which we could see, this was an amazing experience, right from the doctor, right from the staff, support staff, and even so who take the therapist or even the food. It's amazing, and we were very well taken care of. Any suggestions or anything which we have been telling to anybody, even if we say to any of the housekeeping staff, I am sure that it has been reaching to the right people, and there was a follow-up action, and it was happening. So I should say this is my overall picture, which overall experience I can say, so what I have gone through in the last 14 days. To summarize, okay, I can say doctor has gotten, doctor himself is very well experienced, and he diagnosed the patient with utmost care, okay, and listening to each and every nuances of the complaints that the patient is having. Attention to detail is something which we have seen, and supported by a team of amazing doctors and support staff. That is actually one of the strength which I could see from this 14 days experience, I can say. And I would definitely recommend to my friends or my relatives spending time here, so with this the kind of atmosphere which you have been giving for all the patients. That's amazing.